Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be learning about how to take care of a pink Syngonium. So this is actually a pink Syngonium, you can see the streaks here. But then one peculiar thing about the Syngonium is that, especially the pink Syngonium, is that the more you expose it to sunlight, the more green it becomes. So give it a bright light location. However, do not put it in a location that gives it a lot of sun. So if you give it a lot of sun, it will become somewhat like this, a little pale green color, and that beautiful pink color is lost. So I am bringing this home. This will be planted as an indoor plant. So this was outside and it was getting a lot of sunlight. So I have decided to bring this inside. It is a wonderful indoor plant. If you give it the right conditions, it thrives really well. So like I told you, I really love the pink Syngonium more than the normal green Syngonium. And this is also called the arrowhead plant because the leaf looks like the pointy edge of an arrow, right? So this is how it is. I have taken a cutting, however, this already has roots, as you can see. And this is one of those few indoor plants that really grows well without any fuss. However, you have to give it the right lighting conditions. It can take a window that is in the east direction. It can also take a window that is in the northern direction, but it is always safe to assume that wherever there is bright sunlight, the Syngonium does really well. So mine is a north location, and there are no other buildings in that area, so it kind of gets bright sunlight, especially during the summer. However, during the winter, the plant kind of stretches to find the sunlight, so I will be relocating it during the winters. So you can do that as well with the changing seasons. So let us look at how to pot or how to plant this Syngonium in a container. So I'm using a ceramic container like this. So it's a really beautiful ceramic container. So, and one thing about Syngoniums, they are not very they can tolerate a lot of wet feet. So if you have a lot of clay matter in your soil and there's a lot of water in the potting mix, then it is perfectly fine. The Syngonium will do really well. So I am using a potting mix of a little bit of compost, more garden soil, and a little bit of coco peat. So let us first close the drainage hole of the pot with a broken tile piece. So it's quite big, but this would suffice. And then we will add the potting mix. So folks, we've added the potting mix into the ceramic pot. Now we will just add the plant inside the potting mix. So just make a small hole in between and then place it snugly into the potting mix. Do not overfill the pot. It is not very desirable because we don't want the water coming out, especially in indoor gardening. That is not desirable. So guys, after this is done, you can water it. However, I'm not watering this plant because the soil is already wet, so I'm not watering this plant. However, you can place this in the right condition, and you can also use a tray underneath to collect water. Or the other thing that you can do is, if you do not want to use a tray, you can always water this in the bathroom, and once all the water is let out, you can bring it and place it wherever you want. So this is a very easy plant to grow and one of the most sought after plants, especially in the indoor gardening space. and I hope this video was of some help to you guys. And if you like my videos, then please subscribe to Urbanscape Bangalore. Thank you.